Good morning. Thought I'd show you what we're up to this morning. I got some holes to fix in a tailgate. And here's a plate with pins. I'm going to cut each one of these little squares out and use them to fill holes. And what we're going to be doing is slipping them in there, tacking them in nice, and we'll grind them off and get them finished. And we could find new tailgates, but not ones that are stamped with the letters. So we're going to fix this one. They want the letters to show. So hang on a second, and we'll cut these out. And here we are with the pieces cut out, trimmed up. They end up looking something like that. And we'll just slip these down in the hole, hold them up, do a little tacking and welding. So I'll show you that here real quick. There you go, that's tacked. We'll fill that in, hit it with the air to keep it cool, and get all done. It looks something like that. No more hole. So there you go, welding in holes on a tailgate. Have a nice day.